Hello. Thank you for coming through. We got a lot of work to do. Did you want something to drink? I'm just drinking some water. You want me to get you something? Okay. All right, let's get started. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. I just want to warn you, it's a lot. So this is where I have us set up. Like I said, it's a lot. And what's crazy is I actually got rid of a lot of stuff. So this is what's left over. We're just going to just start decluttering, but this is where I have us working, okay? Hopefully this doesn't take long. I don't think it'll take long, right? Did you bring a lot of stuff? All right, go through this with me, okay? So we're gonna do this together. So here are a few items that I had under the kids' bathroom. These are just a few hair products, Janice, a whole basket full. So these are the hair products that were under the cabinet in their bathroom. This is what is under mine. And then this is a bag that I had set up and ready to go for donations. I actually threw a few more because you can see this is spilling over. So I threw a few extra products in here. Let me set you up. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna pull up a chair for you. Give me a minute. I know I'm a mess. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. It's a lot going on. I'm gonna get you a chair. Hold on. By the way, you look really cute. You came over looking really cute. I'm in my PJs and I'm feeling like I'm a hot, sweaty mess because I've been running around like a chicken with its head cut off, but that's neither here nor there. I hope you got your stuff ready because we're about to jump into it. I am not going to go through every single product. I just feel like that would be a really long, drawn out, and probably boring video, but just an overall gist of how I declutter. I really just want to have a cleaner space. I'm trying to become a minimalist. It is very difficult as a family of 4 to get rid of things and not continue to replenish, but keep a clean and clear space. It is a very... It's difficult, okay? But I'm not gonna give up. I am never gonna give up. I'm going to continue because damn it, this is the life that I wanna live. I am going to become a minimalist and I'm gonna have a clean, clear house, and we are starting here. So I am going to probably do this for every area. Just thinking about my closet and my kids' closets is giving me anxiety, but I'm starting here. So we're starting with hair care products. I'll probably do it for makeup as well. If you're interested in seeing this, let me know. But we're gonna have 3 separate categories. So we're gonna have keep, donate, and give away. So if I'm keeping something, it has to be a staple product. So something that I'm using very regularly. It's a staple of mine. I use it for my hair or my kids' hair, and I'm gonna continue to replenish it. I'm not letting it go. Donate would be products that are barely used or brand new that I just have no use for. It doesn't work for my hair, doesn't work for their hair. I have no intentions of replacing it, and I don't want to trash it. I don't want to just continue to contribute to environmental waste. I know I sound really hippie-ish right now, but that's just my philosophy. I don't want to continue to contribute to waste, and I already spent the money on it. So just because I can't use it doesn't mean that somebody else can't. So if I'm donating, sometimes I give items, like I'll post it in my neighborhood Facebook group, so I'll donate it to neighbors. Sometimes it's friends or family. It really just depends, but I just want to feel confident that it's going to someone else that can benefit from using these products. And then trash is something that is expired completely, or there's like a drop of product. I'm not donating a drop of product. That's a slap in the face. So those are the 3 categories that we're going to be working with today. Like I said, hopefully you can declutter with me, and I'm really excited to just rid some of this stuff. And believe it or not, look, this is one basket. This is under my bathroom cabinet. This is under my kids' bathroom cabinet. This is heavy, so I can't pick it up all the way, but this is a shopping bag full of products. And this is narrowed down. I had more than this. I've donated twice to my neighbors, and it was a shopping bag full of products. And don't judge me, I'm not just out here spending money like carelessly. These are products that I've had for some time, things that have been gifted to me, things that have been sent to me as a blogger, you know, as a creative, or just things that I've held on to for a few months but I didn't have a use for. So I'm just not out here, I ain't got it like that, okay? I'm just not out here spending money. But this is what I'm left with. Now the only thing that isn't here is my entire Inner Sense collection. Those products are not going anywhere anytime soon. They're great for my hair, they're great for my kids' hair. So I didn't even feel a need to include them in this video because they're obviously in keep. There may be, why does this not have a top? I don't know why that doesn't have a top. There may be some products that you would happen to see, but obviously they would just go in the keep. Other items that are not here. Hair tools, so brushes and combs. First of all, I don't donate hair tools. I don't think that's sanitary. So if it comes to a point where I've had it for a while and it's, you know, normal wear and tear, I'll just trash it and replace it. But I didn't include that in this declutter. And then my synthetic hair video. So either my synthetic hair or my human hair, like wigs, you know, because I have a completely different set of products. I use products that are usually for straight hair, like if it's a straight wig, and then I use products that are less expensive because I'm not spending a lot of money on a wig, honey. These wigs already set me back enough, okay? I'm using, I might actually have something in here that I use for a wig by accident, but yeah, I'm not paying top dollar for the wig and then the products to maintain the wig as well. So y'all gonna get some Pantene, y'all gonna get some Aussie Moist, you know what I'm saying? So my wig products, that's separate. And I really don't even think I can fill this basket with my wig products. I probably just have like 10 and those are keep. So let me stop blubbering and we're gonna get into it, okay? So let's do it. So I mean, when I take everything out of the bags and the baskets, it's actually not a lot of products, right? So this should be fairly easy to narrow this down. You are not a hair product, boo. What you doing here? That's not embarrassing. So hopefully, I mean, I don't think it'll take long for me to narrow these products down. I'm just gonna dive right into it because I already see some products that I am going to be just donating and trashing. I think we're in a good place, you guys. I'm actually very proud of myself. This is the keep for under my bathroom cabinet. Goodness, stand up, girl. Come on. I'm getting sloppy. This is the keep for under my bathroom cabinet. This is the keep for under my kids' bathroom cabinet. What? Huge. This is the donate. Again, hoping to bless a family. That's awesome, right? Okay, so how did you do? Not too bad, right? If this is something that you don't do regularly, trust me, it gets easier as you continue to do it. But hopefully this is something that you found helpful. I found this to be a lot of fun today. I hope to see you in the next video. I hope you come through and spend a little more time with me. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Check out a few videos, hang around. I love spending time with you. Let me know how you did in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Drink some water and take care of yourself, boo, because I'm gonna be checking in on you. You know I will. You know I will. Take care of yourself. Bye.